Hi, I'm Heidi Waterhouse. Are you tired of me yet? Because if you're not, I have stickers later. So, the Devil's DevOps, with apologies to Ambrose Bierce. This is a talk that I put together because I really love sarcastic definitions of things that we all suffer with. So I'm going to give you some dictionary definitions, and you are going to laugh. Infrastructure, that teetering edifice that we labor to simultaneously uphold and reform, sort of like trying to change the tires on a car that is moving. Nobody has to do that, though. We're fine. Continuous integration, the state of never being sure that you didn't just break the build. I'm the only person here who has to wait for the slides. The cloud, other people's servers. An abstraction layer for spending money you couldn't get hardware budget for. Or the vaporous form of pixie dust. The cloud. Deployment, when code escapes into public view despite your best efforts. Or that thing that just took down production. I mean, hypothetically, for other people. Cattle and pets. A way to detach oneself from the suffering of individuality, and an idea promulgated by people who have never had a pet cow. Mean time to recovery. How much a client yells at you while you're trying to get the system back up. Can also be mitigated or augmented by what kind of words they use. Agile is a design perspective based on moving fast and shifting definitions so nobody can really pin you down to what it is you're supposed to be doing. Testing in production is an alternate pronunciation of the phrase YOLO. And it's also an excellent way to find errors at scale. In case you were wondering whether it was broken in a big way or a little way, testing in production is going to let you know. Automation. The state of being able to make things fail continuously without that pesky need for human interference. Microservice. A small independent operation designed to test how complete and complex your testing infrastructure is. A box to put inside another box so that you can run boxes on other boxes, so that you can ship boxes on boxes to other boxes. I'm so glad that technology is easy. Something as code, an honorary title signifying that something, no matter how trivial, has been scripted. Silo, a security device to prevent the transmission of knowledge from one part of a company to another. They're very effective. I don't know why we don't use them more outside of companies, but silos, they're the best security. Nines. Nines are a unit of failure. The more nines you have, the harder they are to maintain. It's sort of like juggling. Eventually you get so many nines, your hands can't hold them anymore. Logs. Large, heavy objects that we use in building assumptions and predicting how things are going to fall down on us. Observability, the ability to tell what has gone pear-shaped with high cardinality. Because sometimes you want a pear and sometimes you want a prickly pear cactus, and you need to be able to tell which is which. Shift left. It's that button that's next to Z if you use a QWERTY keyboard. You're just shift left. It's very progressive. A/B testing is an awesome way to show a new bug to only half your customers at a time. It's super effective. And finally, chaos engineering, which is a way to introduce poo-flinging monkeys to your production environment on purpose, because that's what we all enjoy in life. Thank you very much for your time and attention.